In this video, I want to show you how you can buy and sell coins on eBay. Now, there is a category for coins on eBay. I think it's coins and paper money, right? And you could simply search, and then that will just bring you to the category with all of the best coins and paper money that's currently being sold. Now, let's say there's something that catches your eye. For example, let's say this one over here. This one, 1 ounce American Gold Eagle coin, has been sold quite a few times, as you can see, 63,452 times. So it's a pretty good coin. This is the price. So let's say this is something that you like, and you're happy to purchase this coin. You can simply click buy it now. Then you will choose what you want to pay with, your card, PayPal, Google Pay, etc., etc. And if you're happy with that, then you buy your coin and it'll be shipped to you. It's very simple. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.